Hi, and welcome to this Heads Up Raw feature spotlight. My name is Chad, and I am a customer success specialist at ActionStep. In this video, I will explain what the Heads Up Raw is, how to set it up, and also how it can be used to your advantage. Please note that if you do have any further questions about this feature, you can contact our support team on support@actionstep.com or drop us an email at customersuccess@actionstep.com. So, what is a Heads Up Rule? Heads Up is an amazing feature in ActionStep that allows you to select certain information within a list view and set up an automated email chain for the desired information. This can be emailed on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. It is a great way to stay up to date with any up and coming events, for example, a court hearing. Further to this, Heads Up rules can be used by everyday users to be alerted on items that need their attention. This stretches from tasks to matter due dates within the next month or appointments that are coming up within the next month. Lastly, it is also a great way for reporting. Any important insights that you gain from a filter applied to your list view can be turned into a heads up rule so that the information is sent to you on a frequent basis. Some other use cases for heads up rules is that you can see the average time that a matter has been open, the total WIP at the end of the week, or any overdue tasks. So, how do we set this up? Well, firstly, heads up rules can only be used on data displayed in a list view. For this example, we will use a matter list view. Now, I've gone ahead and created this new matters this week. And if we click the tick here and click edit list properties, I'll let that load. We can see that I have set it up to be visible among all users. And in the locked filters, I had left everything open. This means that all matters will be captured within this list view. Any matter on any step, as well as the currency and also the division. So we'll just go ahead and click save on that. Now, within this matters list, if I click on preview to the top right, this will be the matter list view that is displayed. Now, further to this, what I'm going to do is click on show available filters, and then I am going to say date created this week. Once I click submit, it will filter through all the matters that have been created within this week. Now, to the top right here, if you click on more, you will see the heads up button. Now, clicking on this button will allow the heads up rule configuration screen to appear. First thing you will see is the heads up rule name, in which I will keep as new matters this week. The frequency, I'm going to set this up on a weekly/daily basis. And for the sake of this example, I'm going to select Friday as the day that this email is sent. Now the time zone, we can keep it at London. And this email can be sent between maybe 7 and 8 a.m. Now this could be due to the fact that you would like that email chain to be within your inbox as you come into work. Now further down, you can also specify exactly what you want emailed within this list view. So if I move this to the side, I can see that the ID over here will be displayed, the matter name, primary participant, and so on and so forth. If I untick certain options, it will be left out of the heads up rule that is emailed to you. Further to that, there's also an advanced options which allows you to attach list results, and also the number of rows to show in a message body is set to 10. what I'm going to do is click Save, and then it says Successfully Saved Heads Up Rule. Now to access that Heads Up Rule, if I click on my profile on the top right here, and then what we're going to do is scroll down to Heads Up. Now what you can see is that I already have a few Heads Up rules created. And in this case, all I'm going to do is click on New Matters this week. This is the one that we had just set up. And so from here, you can also delete the Heads Up rule. Now, deleting the Heads Up rule will just stop the email chain being sent to you on the frequent basis that you had set up. Now, if I was to click on Manage Heads Up Rules, it will give me a list of those rules. It will also give me the schedule, the scheduled day, the frequency, and also whether it's enabled as well. Now, just to give you an indication of what that looks like, I'm going to select New Matters this week and click on Test Rule. And this allows you to test exactly how this email is going to appear within your inbox, but also just to give you an indication of what this looks like. Now, if I click on Outlook, this is the email that you will be sent for that particular Heads Up rule. So immediately, you can see that it shows New Matters this week, and it's going to display the list of ID, the matter name, primary participant, current step, who it is assigned to, and the date that it was created, all within this view. Each matter will be listed as a row. And so, for instance, because you only see one row within this Heads Up rule, it just means that that is the only matter that has been created within this week. What's great about this feature is that the Heads Up rule will automatically update itself when new information is added into the system. In this situation, if another matter was created after the Heads Up rule had been sent out, the next scheduled email will contain the new matter within the report automatically. Now, because we have set a filter for this Heads Up rule to only display matters within a week, obviously the next email chain won't include a new matter if I was to create it today, because of the frequency and email that has been sent out already. Thank you for watching this Spotlight feature. Like mentioned before, if you have any further questions, please send an email to support@actionstep.com or customersuccess@actionstep.com. Bye for now.